Before starting the review, first of all, I would like to tell how I got to know about Make My House. It's not from any referral, nothing. I was just casually looking on internet about the organizations who or companies they support this interior or structure work. Then Shivam sir pinged me on my WhatsApp about the process, how make my house operate, and from there I took the make my house services and what Shivam sir told about the quality of work, about the support, about the changes whenever you need is very helpful and project is going on from past 1 years and he's available in WhatsApp throughout. Whenever you ping, he will reply to you. He will talk to their team internally and resolve and get and help getting resolve the queries. So yeah, thank you for that, Sigam sir. Another person I wanted to mention is Nidhi ma'am, who is closely associated with me on WhatsApp and chat as well. Whenever I have doubt, I just ping on the chat, and she makes sure it gets resolved within the team. And she usually take very less time to respond, and this is very good uh, from her. So yeah, thanks. Coming to Make My House, they are very good company. They have proper structures, a proper flow of when you discuss with their team. They first share you the draft. You can make unlimited changes if you are not satisfied. Once you are satisfied, you need to make the approvals. And later, if you have any doubts, any queries regarding that particular files, you can just ping on the chat and they will reach out to you. This is very good, and I really recommend to the people if you want to build your house or planning to renovate or if you want the interior work. I also took the interior work from them. It started, I got the drawings, uh, electric placements, the furniture layout, and yeah, so it's going pretty well. So coming on the conclusion part, like whether you should take the services of Make My House or not. If you're someone who wants everything from scratch with proper guidance, with proper feedback, with proper drawings, so you can definitely go with Make My House. And this is nothing uh, like a paid review or anything. This is the genuine feedback from the last 1 year of work.